in given, so this is the question like proving this triangle and this triangle as a congruent. And here we are going to write the given first. So how to write the given is, okay, find that border word, that is prove that. So the word, so the whatever things the question is telling before, then this prove that or show that, that is right, that is we are going to write in the given set. So according to the question has told us ABCD is a parallelogram, diagonal AC and BD are intersecting at O. Okay, this sentence and this sentence is going to be your given title. Okay, so let's write. So first information provided by the question was ABCD is parallelogram. So you can also write ABCD is parallelogram. And what is the second information provided by the question is, you can also see in the book, it is written AC and BD are intersecting at O. So you can also write AC and BD are intersecting at O. So this is the second information provided by the question. Okay, now the given title is finished. Now our second title always to prove. So to prove is also very simple. You just have to see the book and what the question is asking us to prove, that we are going to do copy paste same to same. So this is the first to prove and second to prove is, so we are going to write same thing. And remember, this is the main one. Okay, if you able to prove this, then this access freely it comes as a bonus. So I'm going to do copy paste same to same whatever given by the question. So first to prove is triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD, which is our target triangle. So from the name only, we know these are our two target triangles. And given is AO equals to OC and BO equals to OD. Okay, now as we have decided, this and this is alternate pair, and another alternate pair is this one and this one. So angle and another is side opposite sides of parallel. So you can use the symbol also, so that we will, okay, our target is A as A, so we are going to use this one. Okay, now our third title to prove the theorem is proof. Proof means that table we are going to make. So your table will be like this, right? After writing given title to proof title, filling of the given to prove and proof title, now we are going to start the statement and reason. So what we are going to write in number one? So number one, we are going to mention the name of that triangle using and in the middle, because the triangle is yet not proved as congruent. So this is and we are writing in triangle AOB and
So
triangle.
can you write the short form end as well?
Yes. Okay. So and remember always, if you are mentioning so in this left side, all the thing of triangle AOB only will come, and in the right hand side all the thing of COD will only come. Never miss you, never put here and there. Okay, so sometimes putting the name of, suppose angle A from here and angle B from angle D from here, but next time also the order should be also same. Okay, I mean, I think you have understood that. So if you are, so like AOB is your down one triangle, right? So what is our first target was angle. So three sub points we are going to write, 1, 2, 3, and each sub points will have its reason. A SA was our plan, which we have already decided from the diagram only. So first pair is A. That means for this A, how did we get derive this A? Because we got alternate pair. So angle DCO. Okay, I think this side I have to write down one only, because AOB is in the front. Okay, I'm writing angle OAB is equals to angle. Okay, this angle is equal with angle OCD. And
So
why they
can't
are
we
equal?
write angle BAC is equals to angle ACD?
Yeah, you can write that also, BSc full three, but at least three letters should come, which should represent this angle only. Okay. Okay. What is our second target was side. So how did we derive this side? We derive this side because we know this opposite side are equal. So I'm going to write AB equals to CD. Okay. Okay. Remember, I'm writing AB in the left side and CD in the right hand side, because my the name I have mentioned is first is triangle AOB is in the left side and the second triangle is in the right hand side. So their side will be also in the left and right respectively. Okay, number two, reason why they are equal. You can write opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, now how did we derive this third angle? We derive because we got this angle and this angle equal as alternate pair. So it is angle OBA is equals to angle ODC, and this is alternate. Again, this is also alternate. Okay, after writing these three main sub points, now we got permission to put what stamp. So what is that stamp? Congruent stamp. So it is like putting a stamp after doing these 3 points. And for this, the reason is from ASA exams. And after that, we get the permission to write other things also. AO equals to OC, BO equals to OD. So simply you can write AO equals to OC and BO equals to OD. And the reason is this is again sides, right? This is sides pair. That's why I'm again writing corresponding sides of congruent triangle. Okay, remember one thing, if instead this was side, if they were angle, then I would have written corresponding angles of congruent triangle. That will be only the difference. If instead side angle pair has to be proved, then we will write corresponding angles of congruent triangle. So this is the full solution of this one, and this is also now hence proved. Okay, so you can watch this again later in YouTube.